continue on our quest to make super pretty festive things for our New Year's table. Tonight, we're going to make a super cute platter and some bowls. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I started with this tray I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm using dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I'm using this glitter from Michaels. It is from the Spin It brand. I'm going to cover my tray, just the bottom, with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and that includes up to that lip and on the bottom of the handles. Then, all right, now this is one way I did the glitter, and I'm just telling you, don't do it this way. I held it up and I poured the glitter on, and a little bit of a mess. If you're not a fan of glitter, this project probably isn't for you, first of all. But doing it this way was wicked messy. I tapped off the excess. It wasn't a fail, but I waited for it to dry, and then once it's dry, I'm going to add another layer of the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and then we're going to do more glitter. And this way I found was much easier. I set the tray down on my parchment paper, and I just poured the glitter on top of that, and then poured it off onto the parchment paper. Way less mess, just my opinion. Do however you feel led to do, but this was easier. And look at the glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. And just so you know, this is why I put it on a piece of parchment paper that I fold in half, because then I could just lift it up and it makes its own funnel, and then I can pour all of the glitter back in its container. Just a little tip for you. You're welcome. All right, so then I let that dry. So it's got to dry again. It probably takes a couple hours for it to dry, and then I cover it with dishwasher safe Mod Podge and let it dry. And once it's dry, look at how pretty. Now, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't fully satisfied because, first of all, you can't see the gloriousness of this tray in this light. It looks like an aluminum tray, and I'm not grooving on that. It's pretty. No, don't get me wrong. But I said, you know what? What would happen if we used different glitter? So I'm going to show you. I have some little bowls that I had gotten from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to do the same process. Put dishwasher safe Mod Podge on the back all the way up to the edge. I suppose you could do however far up you wanted. I went up to the edge. Then I pour on my glitter. Easy peasy, tap off the excess, all that jazz. I think this one was Vortex. I think this was the glitter was called Vortex from Glitter Chimp. And there's that. Pretty. Oh, I love it. And here's the other one. I think this was Catwalk or Starry Night. No, it was Starry Night. And then I have one from Michaels, and it is just black kind of glitter, which is stunning. But anyways, all right, so do that. Let it dry. Then once it's dry, put another layer, just like we did with the tray, another layer of dishwasher safe Mod Podge on, and then we're going to put more glitter on top. I'm just going to tell you this, friends. The different colored glitter pops so much better with these trays and these bowls. I did put another layer, let it dry, then put a final sealing layer on the back, and this is what we've got. And are you kidding me? I mean, are you kidding me? I am so excited. I have these little bowls. We're going to put them out for New Year's Eve. We're going to put little snacks in them. It's going to look festive. It's going to look awesome. It was easy, and it didn't take that much time. I'm just saying, it was worth it though. All right, friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.